Whenever I see that beautiful smile, I know you have something to say. What is it this time? A song?
Yes.
Okay. Ayla tells me she wants to sing a song for the parents. You know, Ayla is very talented. Every time she comes up with another idea.
Make me sweat, make me harder, make me lose my breath, make me water.
Good songs don't have to be very long. Very short, straight to the point, and you're done. And people pay for the show. You don't have to stay for the whole night, whole day. Thank you, Ayla. That was a very beautiful song. Okay, man, so ladies and gentlemen, right about now we are going to have the Q&A. That is the question and answer. We are going to have our children coming to stage one by one.
Thank you. I am a
Sweetheart, it's a national park.
Okay.
national park.
Okay. Where are you taking my child? What are those things? I can't waste money. I can't do this. Tomorrow, another. Today, let her leave. Let her come back. Where are you taking my grandchild? We have morals, this and that. I feel like they are already winners. Yes. And with a group of young people, I don't work alone. This is a lot of work. I can't do it alone. Allow me to invite my team. I need to wave to you. Yes. Team, Chomendo. At least stand up and wave to the people. Yes. That is my fellow Queen Mother. And as we train these children to work together, we support each other.
Hello everyone, my name is Omwana. I am 5 years old. My school is Gaza Alpha Infant and Primary School. My best color is pink and light blue and orange. My name is Mpaka and I am a mighty. Here are 5 facts about eagles. There are about 20 species. Eagles make the biggest bird nests. An eagle's biggest fear is humans. An eagle's eyesight is 8 times stronger than ours. Thank you. I'm going to sing a song called In the Stars by Benson. Sunday mornings were your favorite. I used to meet you down on Wall Street Road. You did your hair up like you were famous. Even though it's only church where we were going. Now, Sunday mornings are just sleeping. It's like a buried my faith with you.
I want to thank each and every single one of you for supporting the contestants and for applauding them. I'm very proud of all of you and you did your best. As for a judge, I believe everyone did their best. But God knows the winner and may the best girl win. Thank you.
Thank you so much for playing the time
cities coming to 8. And the parents have been very patient. So thank you so much for that. For us as judges, we've done our part. And unfortunately, the little ones, we didn't ask you questions on wildlife. That was an oversight on our part, so that one was ruled out. But otherwise, we've done our part, and we wish the eventual winners the best. Myself, I'm from Uganda Wildlife Conservation Education Center, and the winners, the top 3 will be given an opportunity to undertake.
Are you ready, ladies and gentlemen? Are you ready? Come forward. We are starting with the totals.
Yes, starting with the totals. Category of the totals is none other than Tamara. Our second queen from the category of the totals, Little Miss Worldwide. This is Thea. Okay, from the category of the totals, definitely. Total Miss Wildlife 2024 is Michelle Jejje. Okay, thank you so much. That was wonderful. And right about now, I would like the parents of Michelle, the parents of Theo, the parents of Tamara. Yeah, they are taking pictures. Yes, the third queen in the category of the minis is none other than Esther. This is Mariana Sapé. Thank you. Miss Worldlife 2024 is Diana. And congratulations, Queen Deborah.
And the second queen, Little Miss Wildlife, is Talia Mirunji Kandoi. Little Miss Wildlife 2024-2025 is none other than Imara.
Let me tell you some 5 facts about the leopard. First fact, I am called Odongo in the Buganda culture. Fact 2, I have spots. Fact 3, my spots are called rosettes. Fact 4, I have several times better eyesight in the dark than humans. Last but not least, that is a fact. I hunt in the day and not in the night.
This is very good.
has around Shakespeare and it has far around.
And for those of you who have been through the competition, it has been a lot of learning, and I believe every kid will be transformed. And for parents out there, especially parents of participants, I would request you don't get so emotional. Literally, everyone is a winner, and everything will be totally transformed.
We will cry.
Please do not cry. And maybe to give some little background, just a couple of days ago we completed our voting, and so many people were asking, what's the voting about? Voting was, I would say, publicity campaign. Like I said, if you're looking for leaders, every leader must have a following. Like you cannot have a leader without support from the people. So we asked or requested parents to spread the gospel. Every time you shared a link, indirectly the key or the target was going out to so many people. And we provided so many different platforms. There are those who are busy, but are like, okay, now support financially. There are those who reached out to very many numbers, get very many votes. But because all the procedures were available to everyone, it literally means it was fair. But maybe I would like to also tell you, winning a vote does not necessarily mean you are the queen. It's just a part of the process. We have our jury today who are here to witness their performances, and we're going to do a continuous evaluation from how the kids performed in the boot camp, to how they perform on stage, to how they performed during our trips. Because you might see a kid who is one of the best at performing or at dancing, but in actual sense when we went and they made an interaction with the wildlife, they literally feared everything. I
came with my auntie and please, and my family, please stand up for me. This is my auntie. So thank you for coming. Thank you.
And then I would also like to recognize, I don't know if there is a new facility, Miss Pinky. You can also call her Queen Marshall. Miss Pink is the parent of our Queen Mother.